D4A Adjustable Handlebar Stem. D4A is the simplified edition of the original D4D adjustable stem. Made of aviation aluminum with sandblasted and anodized surface, sleek and stylish design, black, silver, and other colorways optional. Similar market accessories need tools to adjust grip, handlebar height and angle, or to stow the handlebar. Using tools is time-consuming and laborious. D4A uses quick release locking for easy operation. Swiftly adjust your riding grip, handlebar angle, and height. Single action quick release to unlock entire unit. Quickly rotate handlebars 90 degrees parallel to the frame to flatten in no time and save space. Compatible with 31.8 mm diameter straight bars. Large wheel bikes with a 28.6 mm front fork stem diameter. D4A net weight 510 grams. Riding grip adjustable range 80 mm. Height adjustable range 132 mm. Adapt to riders of different heights. Utility patented, affordable, wide market demand.